Hello everyone. I will show you how to submit your child's work easily by Portfolio app. You can download this app from App Store or Play Store. So you need to go to your App Store and you will enter Brightspace Portfolio. You will see a window with the leaves, and that is the Brightspace Portfolio. This logo, I will download it and it will start downloading. It will take a moment. There we go, and we will open it. Or it may ask you access. Okay, and then I will go to next is class device. It will prompt you to in class with Funster. Okay, then it will ask your teachers, and let's go wait time.
Well, hey there. Can you
it
show me your... Can I
it
see
will
some
prompt
of
you
your
to
homework?
go for your child's barcode, and then you can click a picture of the work, and
Still.
let's do it.
Hold still.
There we
The
go,
way this looks?
and I like this picture and I will select it. If you don't like it, you can select the cross and redo it, but I liked it, I will
Can
keep
I
it.
hear more about your
Now
work?
you may also submit your
Start
work
recording.
by recording your audio. I will say something like I drew these three-dimensional solids and one doll.
Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
So it has directly submitted the work in picture form and audio form directly to your teacher within one click, and you don't need any attachments. I hope this will help you to submit your